Hello, if you'd like to add your mining benchmark to the community page, just follow these steps. At the upper right, you'll see the GitHub symbol. Click on that. It'll redirect you to the Nimiq community repository. You'll need to fork it, so make sure you have an account with GitHub and click on the fork button here. Once it's done, you'll notice that it'll change to your GitHub name. Find the benchmark.html file and open it. Click on the pencil icon to begin editing the file. Scroll down till you find the latest entry. You'll begin with a tr tag. Copy everything to the end where you see a /tr tag and paste it after the entry. Fill in and edit the details that you recorded during your benchmarks. Any section marked with a star on the screen means you should only enter numbers. This is to help the sorting feature on the page. Name should be the model of your computer, like a laptop or pre-built. If it was custom made, give it something easily identifiable to you or a few words that best describe it. CPU is the processor inside. If you're on Windows, you can search about your PC and it'll bring up details about it. As you can see on this screen, there's other information you can find that will be useful for filling out the next areas. The CPU freak should include any overclock you applied. If you did not overclock, then use the base frequency that you can find on the About Your PC page. L3 cache can be located on spec sheets found online. Do a search of your CPU model and you should be able to find it. You can also use command prompt. Enter in the command wmic cpu get L3 cache size and it will display the amount in kibibytes. Divide this number by 1024 for the number you should enter. The next entry is the type of RAM you're using, typically DDR4 or DDR3. Nextly is the amount of RAM you have installed. You can find this on the About Your PC page. The RAM speed in megahertz is next. Make sure to include any overclock you've applied. To find out on Windows, open up command prompt and enter in wmic memory chip get speed. This will return the base frequency of your RAM. Here comes the benchmark results you got in kilohashes. This is found on the Nimiq miner page under My Hash Rate or in the outputs of the Node.js console. The client you use to find the hash rate is next, whether it be the browser such as Chrome, Firefox Quantum, or others, or on Node.js. The operating system comes next. For Windows, you can find it on the About Your PC page again. Others will likely find it in their settings/About Systems page. The number of threads is second to last. The browser miner defaults to half of what's available unless overwritten. You can find what is being used by clicking on the My Hash Rate button on the miner page. Finally, if you have a GPU, it goes here. If you do not have one, type in none. After everything's been entered, double check the information. Once done, scroll down to Commit Changes. The title should be Adds Benchmark for what you entered in for the name, and your Discord or Telegram name if desired. Any extra notes goes underneath. Click on Commit Changes and scroll all the way back up. Click the Compare button and double check one more time. If you think everything looks good, feel free to push the Create New Pull Requests button and hit it once more. The Nimiq team will review the information and will add it to the benchmark page. If you need help on any step, feel free to visit the Discord or Telegram.